uke share umuntu wesifazana njengoba umuntu wesifazana like I on socials like face to face agcwale ngawe nje ulirato nje how is it is it different to a guy
kuku different but ke mina ngasho ngamtshela ukuthi
hayi ngayisho leyo nto hayi la ngayisho ngiyabona ngathi ufuna ukubonisana la sheshe wabatshela ukuthi
ukuthi hayi cha right ma right ma unjalo but hayi mina ngi right
wena ufana amajensi ngiyabona isandla ngathi uyadlizela ngazi ke lento wenza njani Looks, have you ever come across icherry iqonde straight?
I've been hit on by a girl, not really shell at me.
What is the difference?
She bought me a drink like a guy would at a place.
You didn't see that coming.
She offered a drink, but I thought it's just she was alone. That's another thing. I was like with a group of people, and I thought to get him and then she offered the drink, and then it was shots actually. And I was like, okay, cool, let's have shots. And then I went to the bathroom an hour later, and then when I opened the door, she was standing by the door.
Did she ever say why?
No, she attempted a kiss, and I was like, what? And then I think when we were outside, so I was like, so you were buying me a drink
because
as a guy, right? Because I just thought we were being gilly and whatever.
Boy.
And then when I told the guys, I was good guys actually. I was like to the guys, you were fit. But that girl is in like a 16-inch stiletto. Yes.
How?
Like proper. Mamela. Pencil skirt, shirt tucked in. Nice girl.
Yeah.
And the guys were actually looking at hitting at the girl. They were like, join us, you know. And then one is like, you guys, now that you say it, that was a very firm handshake. Right?
I wonder how it feels.
Did I consider it? What is the producer asking me? What is this one?
Did you eventually respond? Because also for the response.
No, but then again we had exchanged names and stuff. So she went and looked for me on Facebook. One inbox, okay. Now Ken is like laying down a story. Yeah, now she's saying it. I think she was showing it there. Now she's saying it. Then I did not reply. I think a year later, Kikopanani girl got this sofa in the toilet, but she's washing her hands. So and I'm like, and this, I am not going there. And then she sent me a message, Kona Labo, which is hi guys.
I thought
so. But
interesting stories.
It was an interesting encounter.
Interesting stories.
And Pakateka, you were asking me if I can text. No. Abamshela everything yikho phela ngafundisa imbuze uyazi
benzombuza
ebakubiza abantu mama
those are the inboxes in 99 confrontation like
but I'm sure
yes I would have it
all the time.
I would have it straight and Nami it's guys obona ngati obabona like not to judge but nomuntu nombono yabona straight the way ubona mase uphumela ngaphandle all into zamahabi ayeka lapho nokuthi hayi baba la kanti awazi ukuthi abayakufuna yabona and bangithinta mina
bakuthinta kuphi la your backside
la emuva angibhotoza so it's uncomfortable
like they squeezed your backside
irritating job because I got to feel how you guys feel about this puzzle.
Right? Uzwile ukuthi inyangisa kanjani?
Yo, on pressure la.
What is terrible?
Watching vote.
No, watching
vote now.
Let's go to the PS now. No, but the kiss Kazwai was the best.
You kissed the boy and you liked it.
I'm veg. Anyway, you're gonna go to Temba TT. See again with T. What's going on?